Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Leadpages to build a LinkedIn landing page step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Leadpages website. Log into your Leadpages account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Integrations tab in the dashboard. In the Integrations section, find LinkedIn and select it from the list. You will see an option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button next to LinkedIn. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn email and password, then click Sign In. Once signed in, LinkedIn will ask for permission to allow Leadpages access. Review the permissions and click Allow Access. You will be redirected back to the Leadpages integrations page. Check to ensure that LinkedIn now appears as an active integration. Next, go to the Landing Pages section in your Leadpages account. Choose to create a new landing page or edit an existing one. Select a template that fits your marketing goals. In the landing page editor, look for the option to add a form or CTA. Drag and drop the form component into your landing page. Configure the form settings to link to your LinkedIn account. Make sure to select the appropriate audience and message for your LinkedIn connections. Preview your landing page to check for design and functionality. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. After publishing, access the landing page URL provided. Share this URL on your LinkedIn profile or within your LinkedIn posts. Monitor the analytics in your Leadpages account to track performance. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to optimize your landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.